Today we'll start with a story of a man called Sheikh Chilli. There was a tree, and on the branch of a tree, this guy named Sheikh Chilli was sitting. He had an axe in his hand, and with that axe, he was cutting the same branch on which he was sitting. What happened is the branch was cut and Sheikh Chilli fell down. And now we have a spring. If you're wondering where does the spring come from in the story of Sheikh Chilli, just wait, you'll know. We have the spring, and a force is applied from both sides of the spring. This force causes the compression, and the length of the spring is reduced. Because of the compression, the spring attempts to gain its original size and shape. And for that, an internal force is developed. This force is called restoring force. Because of the restoring force, the spring slowly comes back to its original size. Let us see this again. On the spring, once a deforming force is acting, deformation is produced. This deformation makes the spring attempt to go back to its original size and shape. And this is achieved by producing an internal force called a restoring force. But what happens is, because of this restoring force, the deformation is reduced and reduced and reduced. But the restoring force is produced because of deformation. So if the deformation is reduced, restoring force is reduced. And when the deformation is completely gone, the restoring force is gone as well. So now we know two different things. One, Sheikh Chilli was sitting on the branch of a tree and was cutting the same branch. The moment the branch fell down, Sheikh Chilli fell down as well. And second, when you compress a spring, because of the deformation comes the internal restoring force. If there is no deformation, there is no restoring force. The base of restoring force is deformation. If this tree is the spring that we're discussing, then the trunk of the tree is the most important thing of discussion, which is the size of the spring. And if the trunk of the tree is the size of the spring, then the branch out of the trunk will be an alternative to size, change of size, deformation. And out of the deformation will come the attempt of the spring to get the original size back. And this is done by restoring force. So we have the trunk of the tree representing the size of the spring, the branch representing the deformation, and on top of the branch is sitting a restoring force in our example, Sheikh Chilli. The base of restoring force is deformation. And we know that the Sheikh Chilli is sitting on the branch. And both cut their own base. The restoring force cuts upon the deformation. But once the deformation is gone, the restoring force is gone as well.